Well, this wasn't the exit I had planned. As you can see, it's windy last night. You got this big ass tree. Here's another one. And all that. Started cutting through it. See what happens. What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. I apologize. Life calls. I'm gonna try my best to start getting these videos out more frequently. Did a revamp of our YouTube, so we're changing it up. It's gonna be DMO reviews. I'm gonna go over a multitude of things of hobbies of mine, where it comes from, car stuff, camping stuff, things I purchased that just blew my mind, not expecting things that would be that great, and they were. We're gonna do long trials though. It's not gonna be anything that I get and I make a review based off of it. It's gonna be basically things that we actually go through and look at. This video in particular has been a video in the making. This video was probably recorded a year and a half ago, maybe a bit longer than that. I may have the wrong dates. It's the first camping trip that I took my girlfriend to. Me and my daughter have been going camping prior to that. But yeah. There's a lot of things that happen there that I'm so grateful for the people of Leavenworth that did help us out. We were kind of on the Forest Service roads back there, and there's a hiccup, as you see in the beginning of the video. I will put a timestamp on the video if you want to skip all the way to the end just to see what they did to help us out. I do want to make some shout outs for the people that did help us, and always be prepared when you go out, even if it's a paved Forest Service road, just because of the fact that you don't know what the elements can bring as far as just wind. Rain and wind knocked a ton of trees around us, and I'm so glad that the first person that you see in the video is Paul Thomas. He's a park ranger in the area. He drove down, tried to assist us, didn't have a big enough chainsaw, so he apologized, but he did radio the county roads people, Carrie, one of them in the video that came down. I talked to them, and an off-duty firefighter named Chuck came. He heard it on the radio, came down his day off to just help us out. He was actually looking for a hiker that got lost the previous day, and he was going to go back up to help out, alleviate and look for that person, but he did stop by and help us cut the tree, and we got the trees moved out of the way and allowed us to go through. I tried to cut through it myself. The chainsaw I had was a bit smaller, did not do the job. I have now upgraded to a bigger chainsaw. There are a couple safety things that I would recommend, like the Garmin InReach, which allows people to send the GPS SOS out. Sat phone also helps, but it is a bit expensive. Sheriff's Department did a wonderful job. That was the first people we got in contact with. They actually got us in contact with the park rangers. Tried to contact Forest Service Roads. They, and I quote, "Wait till Monday." It was very unfortunate that the Forest Service did not assist us in any way. I don't want to talk bad about them, but whoever answered that phone call and basically said that we could wait until Monday when it was the weekend, not the best thing to hear, especially when I had my daughter. So as going forward, I really appreciate the park rangers, county roads, Sheriff's Department, Leavenworth. They did a fantastic job. Thank you. Please enjoy the video. Most of it is just us camping and hanging out, and let me know what you think in the comments.
Yep, for a little bit. Just watch Daddy work, okay? Don't burn yourself.
A little bit of the water.
Oh no, they're burning!
Not burning.
Oh no, my favorite noodles! Yeah.
This is not the right cheese, but
It's
whatever.
good.
Yeah, see, I don't think that's enough cheese.
I'm hungry.
Really? You think so?
We'll see.
I need an eggie.
Stir it, stir it, stir it. Stir it before it scrambles.
Where's the eggie?
It's inside. Okay, that's enough. We don't have enough.
Where's the eggie inside now?
Behind you.
How many eggs are out there?
2. Or I mean,
Works. Just gonna scramble it in. And mix it
Now what eggie is it now?
I'm just making scramble.
Scramble egg? What eggie is it? White and yellow?
Should make this last. Maybe the bacon first.
it's okay. It cooks fast either way.
Extra lemon. I'm making chicken.
How many are there?
2.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone does, Lillian. How do you like your bacon?
Not
toaster
overly.
almost done.
I like it now.
Like this?
Yeah.
Small black bag with utensils. Oh, I think that was Lillian's eggs. It was the
Just
least.
move the bacon.
Yeah. I burnt this one, so it's mine. Oh, Dad, don't drop it, please.
Right? Are these LEDs?
Yeah.
They like moved up to Seattle back in the day.
Yeah.
I think they're still up here.
expensive, which is actually nice.
Yeah. Okay.
Should be almost done. Thank you. I think it's rare,
You think so?
but it's okay.
Well, this wasn't the exit I had planned. As you can see, it was windy last night. You got this big ash tree. Here's another one. And all that. Started cutting through it. See what happens.